You have to let it play, Maxie. Let it go all the way through.
You know that I love you more than words could ever say, but do you know how much I miss you when I'm far away? I miss you more than flowers would miss the sun.
Whose voice is that?
Grammy's voice.
Grammy.
I miss you more than a squirrel would miss his
I'm away, I
favorite
can't
tree.
wait to be with you again, but even when we're apart, we're always together at heart. Don't worry, we have to get
And
back
I
to
miss you
one
more than a
another.
dolphin would miss the sea.
Wait for the thunderstorm.
Because I know that with each day, I'm one day closer to seeing you. I love you, Maxie and Jackie. I
Maxie
hope
and
you
Jackie.
enjoyed hearing this book as much as I
Maxie and
enjoyed reading it to you. I hope to see you real soon, but in the meantime, I'm sending lots of love, hugs, and kisses to the
I'm
both of
away,
you.
I can't wait to be with you
See,
again.
that's Jackie.
Yeah, that's Jackie.
Together at heart.
Yeah, that's my, and over there in the night is me.
Drink some beer and wait for the thunderstorm.
Did you hear Grampy's message too?
What?
Did you hear Grampy's message? You say thank you, Grammy Grampy?
Thank you, Grammy.
Blow kisses. Jeez.
Jeez.